We decided to move everything. My back is destroyed.
People pay good money to have an office this big.
But we're finally settled in to our new office space. P.S. He'll only know I said this if he watches this. I feel like us creating content has definitely got us more connected. We bounce ideas off each other. It's just been really nice month or so. Reconnected. Malia, did you sleep good?
Yeah.
You slept good.
I did something crazy and decided to move my entire office to my master bedroom. Way better lighting here, bigger space obviously. We're still gonna keep our master closet because it just makes sense. We're excited. I was able to convince my husband. He was very hesitant. Here's the thing. We used to have like 14 different workspaces. Actually never had a dining room. I kind of wanted to share with you how everything went. It was an exhausting day, but it's 100% worth it.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me
show you the actual mess.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
We have so many workspaces in the house because our office is just not functional. We decided to get rid of our master bedroom. We're literally moving all of this, and this is gonna be our new office. Best lighting. It's just gonna be so perfect.
I'm gonna close the door and leave you two alone.
Once upon a time, there was a crazy Latin, and she moved the house around every week. Her husband didn't know what to do, so he just agreed to say yes every time to hopefully stop the insanity. Still hoping.
I'm so tired, but this is what it looks like so far.
David has a higher table that he likes to use. Shelving, that's gonna be a corner. This is gonna be my space. My wall decor is gonna go up there soon. But this is like my gifts that I give my clients or samples, things like that. Not bad. I could totally do a video here. But this is so fun. Hi, Jude. They're coming.
Okay, Mom, show us everything.
But it's more accessible. Okay, right this way. Uh-huh. This.
Why do you get the best corner, Senya? You wanted to shove me into this corner. I'm surprised I'm not in the closet.
You like it?
Our home actually flows better now. Like we'll have an actual like true dining room. Bedroom is like it's super functional. Like all of our dressers are in there and everything. It just makes a lot of sense to have the space where we spend the most time be where we do the most work. This room is the biggest room. I also thought about this. I didn't tell you about this, but I also thought about this from a taxing standpoint. This is the biggest
write-off.
Biggest room in the house, so bigger write-off. So the space is a lot bigger, so we can actually write off a lot more of our rent. One of the advantages of being an entrepreneur and having your own businesses.
I didn't tell you this, but I already knew that. Dang. Anyways,
You know I love money, so why wouldn't you have just said that to me to begin with?
Hey,
You should have
this is
started
the
with
time.
that.
I wanted to do the emotional side. We want an explanation of the two desks.
This is just like my, if I'm not doing like real long-term work, analyzing deals, things like that, then I need two screens. Whereas if I'm just doing like some email checking really quick, something like that, updating a couple spreadsheets, then I'll just be on here. I can literally just set the camera up like I just did and be right there with a better background, you know?
And do a cool lights. We have all the
Did you do it already?
Yeah.
You edited it? Wow.
All right.
That was fast.
Editing this video just like makes me sound insane. The fact that I switched, but for me, we're working most of the day and it needs to make sense for both of us to have a peaceful space to work in and the house to also be not chaotic. I think I'm happy with it. We have our own workspace, but more importantly, we have our nice family space too. It's not so cluttered with work all the time everywhere. I'm happy, and I'm happy he's happy.